arriving at a bike meet to chill and end off the night. Looking around and seeing all the bikes.
Actually, that's on my way up. I was
Don't forget to take your key.
And I'm like moving, changing lanes, cut off. Change lane, cut off. Change lane, cut off. And every single one wasn't even the same time I passed York Mills, it opened.
Wait for it. About to take a face full of food.
I just took my helmet off. Yeah. That went in my nose, my eyes, everything. Jesus.
Surprise!
Didn't know, my bad. I'm just here to hang out, you know?
Glad everyone got a good laugh from it.
I wish I got